Assalamu alaikum students. All of you are fine at your homes? Good. Hope all of you are fine, fit and fine. Stay safe, stay home. और बिल्कुल भी बाहर आपने नहीं जाना है. Okay जी. Now we are starting our SST lecture. First of all, tell me students, what have you read on 16th June? 16 को हमने SST बुक का क्या पढ़ा था? याद है आपको? Yes, open this book, page number 9. We have read, ये देखें 16 की डेट भी यहाँ पर है. We have read where we live, unit number 3, villages and cities. But on that day only we have go through the things which are in village, and the students who have done the color, they are very beautifully done that colors. I am really thankful to those students and to those parents who are guiding or helping their child to make the whole work very easy, appreciable. Okay ji, now today we are going to do something different. Look at this ji, these are the things which we found in village. Now we are going to change the picture. Look at this. What is this? It's the picture of a city. Now you can see these things in a city. ये तो आपने देखी होंगी, ठीक है. Now tell me, where do you live? Do you live in a village or in a city? Here it is the picture of school. How colorful it is. The dresses are how much colorful. Cemented roads. Village में आपने ये देखी थी? No. Look at this park. Swings. Children are playing. Look at this rush road. Traffic. Buildings. Hospitals. Factories. Cars. An aeroplane. All of this you can see in your textbook also, but out of color. Look at this. Open page number 10. Open this page number 10 and mark the date over here. The city, mark the date over here. Today is 19 June 6 20 19 जून. ओके जी, ये देखें जी, यहाँ पे भी एरोप्लेन है, ठीक है. एंड यू हैव सीन हेयर एन एरोप्लेन, ठीक है. नाउ यू विल हैव टू कलर दीज पिक्चर्स. डोंट बी पैनिक. यू कैन टेक 2 days फॉर डूइंग दिस कलर. डू यू लिव इन अ विलेज और इन अ सिटी? कहाँ रहते हैं आप? नाउ आई थिंक नाउ योर कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी वेरी क्लियर कि आप कहाँ रहते हैं. You can get the concept and idea from these pictures. Either you live in city or in a village. Yes, you live in a city. Now we will go with a city. What is the name of your village or city? If you live in a village, then write the name. Tell me the name. Or if you live in a city, then tell me the name. So we have decided that we live in a city. Our city name is Gujranwala. ठीक है. Don't try to write it. I am just telling you. आपको मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ. I am just telling you for your information. Got it? Okay जी. Can you see these things? यहाँ पर आपने find out करना है कि if you live in a city, then can you find these things is here, and if you live in a village, then you can find these things there. Cars. Yes, I can see the car. Do you see the building here? Yes, all these are buildings. Can you see the sheep here? No, sheep are in village, so we will cross it. ठीक है. Take the buildings and the cars You can see shops here. Yes, these are the shops. So tick it. Factory. Yes, it's the factory because smoke is coming from its chimney. Take this. Children. Yes, many of children. Look at this. Many of the children are here. These two are children. So we will take this. Color the picture. Now you will have to color the picture. तो आपका पेज नंबर 9 and 10 both will be completed and send me the pictures after coloring. आपने कलर करने के बाद ये पिक्चर मुझे दोनों सेंड करनी है ऑन मंडे. ठीक है. ओके जी. अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर.